A very good morning, student. Today we are going to start question answers and book exercise of chapter 9, and the name of the chapter is Puss in Boot. So let's start reading the question answer as well as explaining the book exercise. Okay student, let's start. First of all, we will start with the fill in the blanks. So I hope after reading the chapter, now you can complete filling the blank by yourself. Try to do it yourself first, then you can check it out from the video as well as from the PDF. Okay student, so let's start doing it. The first one is okay, the wise cat dashed up on his front paws. What the cat do? The wise cat sprang up. Sprang up means what animals do? Animals जब अपना प्यार शो करते हैं तो वो क्या करते हैं? अपने दोनों पैरों पे उछलते हैं, कूदते हैं ना. तो what we can say? The wise cat sprang up on his front paws. Second, and Dash brought new clothes for the Marquis of Carabas. कौन लेकर आता है new clothes for Marquis of Carabas? An officer brought new clothes for the Marquis of Carabas. Third, the boy offered his dash to the majesty, to his majesty. So what did the boy offer? The boy offered his gratitude. Gratitude means thankfulness. Okay, the boy offered thankfulness to his majesty. The beautiful dash belonged to ogre. What belongs to ogre in the chapter? The beautiful castle belonged to ogre. So what we will write? We will write castle over here. The ogre first turned into a lion. Yes, the ogre first turned into a ferocious lion. Okay, now let's move next. Now we have ordering of these sentences. There are few sentences given over here. What you have to do? You have to order these sentences as per the chapter. Okay student, so this I will read the sentences for you, and now you start ordering these sentences by yourself. First, the cat saw the king's carriage driving along the riverside. Second, Puss in Boots lived happily with the newlywed couple. Third, the king was aghast to see such a fine castle. Aghast means surprised, amazed. Okay. The ogre changed into ferocious lion. Once upon a time there was a boy who lived with his cat. Take off your clothes and jump into the river, said Puss to the boy. Puss marched up to the castle and spoke with the ogre. So student, these are the sentences. As it keep on happening in the same way, you have to order them. So the ordering has been provided to you. Just do it yourself. After that you can recheck it. Okay, now let's move toward the question answer part. First question number 1. Why did the boy decided to abandon his cat? लड़का अपने कैट को क्यों abandon? Let me tell you the meaning of the word abandon. Abandon means to leave, छोड़ देना. लड़का अपने अपने कैट को abandon क्यों करना चाहता था? Answer is to lessen his worries. अपनी worries को कम करने के लिए the boy decided to abandon his cat. Okay, the boy was very poor, so he was not having enough resources to live for himself. Because of that, what he thought to abandon his cat. बच्चा बहुत poor था, उसके पास पैसे नहीं थे. Okay, और अपनी problems को कम करने के लिए To lessen his worries, अपनी चिंता को कम करने के लिए boy decided to abandon his cat. लड़के ने cat को छोड़ने का निश्चय किया. Second, what powers did the ogre possess? Ogre के पास कौन सा power था? After reading the chapter, you would have come to know that ogre possessed power to change into any beast he wished. Okay. ओगर के पास क्या पावर थी कि वो अपने आप को किसी भी एनिमल में चेंज कर सकता था जो वो चाहता था. लेट्स मूव टू थर्ड वन. हाउ डिड द ओगर मीट इट्स एंड? स्टूडेंट, मीट इट एंड मीन्स टू डाई. ओके, तो ओगर कैसे मरता है? हाउ डिड द ओगर मीट इट एंड? The ogre met its end after it gobbled up by puss in a blink. What happened? जो pussy, the cat, it gobbled the ogre when the ogre changed into a mouse. जब ogre एक mouse के form में बदलता है, pussy gobbled it up. पुसी उसको खा जाती है. So ogre met its end after it gobbled up by puss in a blink. In a blink means जल्दी से, फटाफट. In a blink means आप पलक के झपकने के टाइम में ही वो उसको क्या करती है, उसको खा जाती है. Okay, now let's move to our fourth question. What was the king charmed with? See, what made the king very happy? What made the king very excited? The king was charmed with the wealth and civility of the Marquis of Carabas. So who was the Marquis of the Carabas? The Marquis of Carabas was that boy. So after seeing the wealth and civility, wealth means money, पैसा और civility means the way the boy behaved. ये सब देखने के बाद जो king was very charmed, and what he decided to get his daughter married with this boy. Okay, does this story have a happy ending? क्या ये story बहुत happy ending के साथ खत्म होती है? Yes, this story have a happy ending. हाँ, at the end of the story you find it out that the boy as well as the pussy, they lived happily in the ogre castle. So we can state it out, we can say that the story have a happy ending. Okay student, so with this we have completed the book exercise as well as question answer of this chapter. Student, complete your question answers in your notebook and your book exercise in your book, and please keep on doing your work timely so that you can complete your work properly and you can understand each and every chapter. Thank you student, keep learning.